Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Mate 10 Pro to Nokia device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Then you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to do the same on Nokia. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select send on Huawei and receive on Nokia. Following that, click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and click got it. Then we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon over here on Nokia, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and select receive. Then wait. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!